This how to 1 minute will show you how to change website template on Godaddy. So as you can see, currently I'm in my website and here is the theme. Now let's see how to change this website theme. First of all, open Godaddy website and make sure to log into your account. Then click on your profile name and click on My Products. Now click on Website plus Marketing. And here you will get your website. So you have to click on Manage next to your website. And now click on Edit Website. Once you are in your website editor, select here Theme. And this is my current theme. To change theme, click on Try a New Look. And scroll down, and from this list you can easily select a different theme for your website. So here's I'm selecting this one. And you can also change color, fonts, buttons from here. Then click on Publish. Save and publish. And it may take some time to publish the theme or website. Now let's view the website. So this is my new theme and this was the previous one. As you can see, my theme has been successfully changed. So that's how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe. How to 1 minute. See you in the next video.